Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. We are now on the 7th day of our Simbang Gabi or Novena Masses for Christmas. And today, our readings point us to the value of gratitude. In the Gospel, we can hear what we call the Magnificat or the Song of Mary. It is a song of Mary that she sang when she received the good news, the plan of God, that she has been chosen to become the mother of the Lord. In our first reading, we have a mother named Hannah who offered his long-awaited son or child to the Lord. Imagine the expression of her gratitude. Hinintay niya ng napakahaba-habang panahon. And when the Lord heard her prayers and gave to her a child, her gratitude led her to offer her son to the Lord. It is true, my dear brothers and sisters, perhaps we have heard that gratitude is an attitude, or gratitude is the greatest attitude. And this is what Hannah and the Blessed Mother showed us when they received something from the Lord, acknowledging that they have received so much blessings from the Lord, led them to sing and offer the gratitude to the Lord. And so, when we say gratitude is the greatest attitude, it is actually an attitude of recognizing that all that we have comes from the Lord. And it is actually an attitude of humility that we are only recipients of the generosity and goodness of God. And so our only attitude and the right attitude and our response to the goodness and generosity of God is our gratitude. And gratitude becomes only possible when there is humility in our hearts. And so it is actually the greatest attitude because humility leads us to acknowledge that everything belongs and comes from the Lord. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.